In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vendor in GnuCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each field means, so your vendor records are clean, consistent, and ready for billing. Start in GnuCash with your file open. At the top of the window, click the Business menu, choose Vendor, and then select New Vendor. This opens the vendor setup form where you'll enter the core details. Begin with the general information. Company name is the primary identifier for this vendor, so make it accurate and consistent with how you'll search for it later. Add the address along with phone and fax if you use them. These contact details help when you need to confirm invoices or reach out about payments. In the identification area, you can assign a unique vendor number. If you're standardizing on your own numbering system, enter it here. If you leave it blank, GnuCash can assign one for you automatically. Keep the active checkbox ticked. Active vendors show up in selection lists when you create bills and run reports. If you ever stop working with a vendor, you can uncheck it later to hide them without deleting historical records. Next, set up payment information, which is optional but highly recommended. Choose the default currency you use when paying this vendor. This saves time and avoids errors if you work across multiple currencies. For payment terms, pick from the predefined options, like Net 30, which means payment is due 30 days from the invoice date. If your agreement is different, you can create customized terms using Business Plotted Billing Terms Editor, and then select them here. Add a contact name if there's a specific person who handles invoices or payment questions. This helps you direct communications correctly, especially in larger companies. Use the notes field for internal reminders. Think of it as a quick reference for things like preferred communication channels, project identifiers, or special instructions relevant to your team. Keep it concise and professional so anyone in your organization can understand it later. When everything looks good, save the vendor by clicking OK or Save. Your vendor is now ready to use when you enter bills or run reports, and the defaults you set, like currency and terms, will pre-fill to streamline your workflow. If anything changes over time, you can return to this vendor's record and update it, ensuring your books stay accurate and organized. That's all it takes to add a vendor in GnuCash with confidence.